Hello. I got another solar product here from Deelat, Deelat, and it is a solar motion wall light with torch light function. On their website, it's called Solar Powered Outdoor LED Motion Light with Torch Light Multifunctional. It's $54.30 on their website, and below you'll see the link for it. What's interesting is this has a couple different modes here, and I'll show you here. But it is a 2000 mAh battery. It takes about 12 hours to charge, and supposedly it'll last for 3 nights on a full charge. Has different modes: 10 lumen dim light, warm white, when there's no one around, or 300 lumens full brightness, pure white, when people walk within 3 to 5 meters. IP65 rated, waterproof, so of course, outside. Working temperature negative 25 to 65 Celsius, which is, pretty cool. But, there's the box. Wrapped well, some bubble wrap for you. There's some cardboard, we don't want that. This can be mounted to the wall. Okay, so there's a little mount here. Mounting hardware, of course, which is nice. We have our instructions. Solar motion light. But, I was really, I have a lot of solar stuff, so it was like, do I want to review something else? Solar. I try and review only stuff that I can use. That I'll use or know someone who will use it in my family. So it makes it worth it, and actually be tested and stuff like that. But I got this because of the dual mode functionality of it. We have a big light here on the front and our little sensor, and then we have another LED light here. The top is our solar light. We have the mount here, but then this here is a handle actually that flips up. There is an on-off switch here, rubber button, and then there's a switch here that changes the lighting modes, which I will show you in a second. But basically it would be mounted like this on your wall, like so, the little mounting bracket there, like that. And it would just, solar power or whatever. Nighttime, but here, let me turn this on and see, there's that light. Okay, that's the main one. Or that's the one you put there, whatever you can do, you want to do with it. You can also, use it in your house for camping or something like that as a little table light. You can, use this and hang it, from a branch or a line or whatever in your tent. Take it with you, whatever. But the idea here is when you push this one, this light comes on too. So you have a portable flashlight to take with you, solar powered. I think that's really cool. So I just, said, yeah, I'll review it because it's kind of cool. Simple on off. That's it, Switch your lights. Got our sensor. Neat product. Very interesting product. I'm going to have to let it charge. I'll mount it and see how it is. We have, just basically information here. 2000 watt, 12 hours, ABS, IP65, mounting instructions, usage instructions, etc. You can use it, hang it up, or as a lamp, or whatever. $55? Sure, why not? $54.30, $55 basically. But it seems like it's worth it to me. I personally think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it because I'm gonna put this over on the side of my house. Because I do have a solar light out there by my, garbage cans and that. So when we take garbage out, it comes on. But I think this one would be better. It's a lot brighter. But also, it would be within reach. So, miss the garbage or something like that. Well, you can just take this off the wall, right? And use it as a flashlight. So my kids won't have any excuse and say, oh, I couldn't see it. This does. Oh. Cool, check it out. We got nice rubber O-rings in there. There's the LED. Let's put it back together. But anyway, Deelat solar light, unique product. I think actually this would be nice on the pillars outside of my house. Maybe if I got 2 of them, I could put 1 on each side. You know what I mean? It would. It looks nice actually. It really does. For what it is, solar light, looks like it would fit right in. And people probably wouldn't even know it's a flashlight for that matter. But that's it. Decent product. Let me test it out. Take some pictures for you of it outside. You'll see it in the video. You'll see it in the review. That's it. Thanks a lot.